Hey y'all, welcome back.
Today we'll be showing you guys how to create one of our favorite finger food items, coconut shrimp. These are shrimp dredged in a shredded coconut panko breadcrumb mixture and deep fried to perfection to give you that nice crunch when you bite into them. It's paired with an amazing sauce which provides the perfect balance of sweet and spicy to enjoy these fried coconut shrimp with. We promise you these are so easy to make, there will be no leftovers. But before we get into this recipe, please take a moment to hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell button for future notifications. So y'all, let's get right to cooking. To begin, we will need to gather the following ingredients. 1 pound of shrimp, peeled and deveined, 1 egg, coconut milk, all-purpose flour, panko breadcrumbs, sweetened coconut flakes, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, and to create our dipping sauce, we need to gather a few simple ingredients. That would be apricot preserves, sweet Thai chili, and some lime juice. And as always, our ingredients and specific measurements will be listed in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. We'll start first by preparing our raw shrimp. Go ahead and peel and devein your shrimp, and make sure to leave the tails on because we will use it as a handle when serving the shrimp, and it just looks nice for presentation. However, we were feeling a little lazy, so we bought ours already peeled and deveined. Next, we're going to set up our dredging station, which is really simple. To a bowl, add 1 egg, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 3/4 cup of coconut milk. Grab a spoon and give this a good mix. Next, introduce half a cup of all-purpose flour and mix everything until a smooth batter is formed. We don't want it too runny and too thick, but just a medium consistency. And you can season this wet batter with whatever you like. The second part of our dredging station is the coconut panko mixture. So to another bowl or plate, add 1.5 cup of panko breadcrumbs and 1.5 cup of shredded sweetened coconut. With your hands, give this a good toss and mix. This smells so amazing right now. Nice and tropical. All right, let's get to dredging. Grab your jumbo and dip them into the wet batter to get them nicely covered and let the excess drip back into the bowl. And then drop them into the panko coconut mixture. Now, make sure the shrimp is well coated. Press it in and pack it well to make sure the breading sticks. Then shake off any excess. Here is the coating on the shrimp. Go ahead and repeat this process with the remaining shrimp until they're all coated. Now that all the shrimp are battered, place them in the freezer for about 10 minutes for the breading to adhere to the shrimp before we fry them. In the meantime, preheat our fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And while we wait for our fryer to come up to temperature, we can go ahead and prepare our dipping sauce. This will complement our shrimp really well. To a bowl, add equal parts of both apricot preserves and sweet Thai chili sauce. Additionally, cut a lime and squeeze the juice into the sauce and give everything a good stir until well combined and set it aside. This will be a delicious sweet and tangy sauce. It's really tasty. Now that the oil is at 350 degrees, place the battered shrimp into the fryer. Curl it up like a C. C for coconut. So when you fry them, it holds its shape. Make sure we fry them in batches so that we don't overcrowd the fryer. Shrimp cook really fast, maybe a minute and a half to 2 minutes, so keep an eye on them. You do not want to overcook shrimp because they will taste tough and rubbery. After about 1 to 2 minutes, you will have perfectly cooked golden brown coconut shrimp. Wow, look at that! Now take the shrimp out of the basket and set them on a cooling rack for about a minute to drain off any excess oil. And then we can transfer them to a nice serving plate alongside our dipping sauce. And here is the final product. Crispy coconut shrimp. Aren't they beautiful, y'all? These shrimp are delicious on their own, but when you pair it with our simple homemade sauce, it just enhances the flavors to a whole nother level. We also like to give a squeeze of lime juice on the fried shrimp before enjoying them. It gives your bite a big wow factor. And now, we hope you get a chance to make this recipe and let us know down in the comments what you think. And friends, there you have it, coconut shrimp. This recipe was definitely easy to make. And y'all know what time it is. It's taste test time.
But first, check this out. Oh yeah. All right, ready? Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers to everyone at home.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's incredibly crunchy. It's slightly sweet on the outside because of the coconut flakes. And the shrimp is nicely plumped and tender on the inside. It's so good. Y'all, it's shrimply delicious.
Just doesn't get any better than this, y'all.
If y'all haven't already, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and that bell button for future notifications. And y'all, please check out our other recipes. And thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye. Peace.